company. My corporate's in Salt Lake, but we come from, our senior leadership started Omniture and sold that to Adobe for $1.8 billion. I think it was about 10 years ago. They went on to go and start Domo. We started as a soft app inside Domo's ecosystem. And we've said, hey, you know what, maybe there's something here. We can put machine learning and automate that into the BI tools. So our goal has always been to empower the analyst with a more democratized way to do data science modeling without getting stuck in what my CEO calls the data breadline and having to have products erode waiting on the data scientist's desk. And you can see we've gone on to partner with just about everybody in the space. We make machine learning and automation easy for a less sophisticated audience. Our team started as an implementation team. We grew out pretty quickly. Here are some of the problems we solve for. All the things a data scientist might do. Our customers range from United Healthcare Group to Skullcandy. We're doing warranty work. So all across the board, I mean, ideally, you can take a look at some of them here. The fonts aren't great, but that's not terrible. And ideally, what our platform does is typical analytics, tells you what happened, maybe why it happened. We tell you what's going to happen next and then what you should do about it. And I think that's a powerful predictive analytics tool. That's what everybody wants to do. It's pretty simple. I mean, our goal has always been to fill the gap between what a data scientist can do. A basic data scientist skill set, you've got three pieces, right? You've got the high-level mathematics, which we automate for. You've got, pardon me, statistics background and then subject matter expertise. What we find is a lot of businesses have the subject matter expertise and they have the statistics background, the analyst at the analyst level, but they don't have the high-level math skills. So our platform essentially automates 10 to 20 standard algorithms that you can use in seconds that would typically take a data scientist a day, weeks to write the code for in Python or whatever they're writing and scripting in. So really we're a scalability model. We believe that data should be democratized throughout an organization. Most machine learning projects die before they get put into production, and our goal is to empower the iterative process that data science causes and that's needed in the data science methodology in order to grow out your existing team and make decisions more quickly and more intelligently. So we've learned that rapid iteration is important. We create directional models that allow people to understand what data points that are necessary to make decisions and what aren't. And then we use those at some level of sophistication to come up with the correct model. We've got a very hands-on team that works with folks, and our goal, pardon me. Whatever you've invested in already, we can be a bolt-on. There's certain things we can do separately, whether we're doing an API call to a BI platform, or whether we're, pardon me, or whether we're pushing the model into production, or taking a CSV file. We find that our customers, especially at the analyst level, are getting a lot of value out of using this platform without having to wait in line for data scientists to prove out value. So we're finding this market's pretty hot right now. We've spent quite a bit of time. We've just taken in another $9 million to go to market and sell this across the board. And I mean, really, value for your company is pretty simple. Business insights for the business decision makers, whether we're solving a customer churn problem or repurchase propensity problem. You can grow your team faster. We're in a recent RFP now with one of the largest agency holding companies. Their data science to analyst ratio is something like 10 data scientists to about 150 analysts, all of whom are reliant upon that highly sophisticated resource to get their work done. With our tool, they can move much more quickly and help. I mean, I think they're tracking something like 1 trillion actions a day. So the data is large, and they need to be able to make decisions without having to rely on a single resource. And there you go, rapid time to value. And it's a pretty simple interface, very easy to use. And we're excited to be here, so thanks.
Okay, round of applause. Questions for Big Squid? What's the origin behind the name?
Well, honestly, we started as an implementation team, and that was the name of the agency, and we just kept the name. And the platform that we've developed, we've really leaned into the Big Squid thing. So the platform is called Kraken.